Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Bluetooth FM audio transmitter with two USB fast charging ports from Tronic. How you can transform your old audio car system to a smart. Let's open the box to find out how we can do that. Manuals, and that's all in the box. On a grey and black color. One USB-A and one USB-C charging port, the channel button, the adjust wheel, light here, the call, play, pause button, bass button and treble button, previous and next song button. Here it is the microphone and the LED display. I like it. So we need power. I'm going to test it right now. Plug it in. I like the LED colors. Bluetooth, ready to connect with your smartphone. I'm going to make the video in my studio because it is more convenient for me for filming. So let's start the pairing process. Go at the Bluetooth settings. And there's the device. Pair. And that was all. So easy to adjust the volume from your smartphone, as you can see. Maximum 16. And of course you can adjust the volume with this adjustment wheel. Now, how we can play music through this audio transmitter? Let's say this is your car audio system. So I need to adjust, it is 108 MHz. Find the frequency at your car that doesn't play anything. So I need to go at 108. Channel, previous next button, 107.9. Okay, that is easy. You can see you can adjust. Select that, and now go from your smartphone and play music. Amazing. Next song. Adjust the volume. Bass, minus, +6. So easy to adjust. Treble. Pause the music, resume. Amazing. Just love it. And when someone is calling you, you can just press this button to answer the call.
The music will mute instantly, allowing you to talk to the other person. The microphone quality is probably be adequate for the occasional hands-free call, but is not as good as the built-in car Bluetooth or dedicated Bluetooth handset. Expect voices to sound slightly teeny or distant, with the possibility of background noise, particularly if there is a road noise in the car.
Press this button to end the call and it will resume the music. So easy. And of course, as you are playing the music, you can charge your smartphone. You can use the Type A port, fast charging, 18% the battery, and I need 1 hour and 29 minutes until fully charged. I like the time, very good. Or you can use the Type-C port. More or less, it is the same time. Just love it. Let's use both. Another smartphone through the Type A. And now, because I have connected a second smartphone, it says here 2 hours and 7 minutes, 19% the battery, 84% the battery, 1 hour and 21 minutes until fully charged. If I will disconnect the Type-C, now the time is less. Here it says fast charging, 57 minutes until fully charged. If you connect two smartphones, you will get more charging time. Only one smartphone, less charging time. Just love it. And at the night when you are driving, maybe this light it bothers you, just double press this button to switch it off. So easy. On again. And you can switch off in the unit. Press and hold the channel button. That was all. So easy. Press and hold. On again. Or you can just unplug. I really like how easy it is to set up and how stable the connection is for music and calls. For everyday driving, it gets the job done without any hassle. If you drive a classic car or a reliable beater missing modern technology, this little gadget is a total lifesaver. It's much cheaper than replacing your entire head unit and provides exactly what you need: the ability to play your own music through the speakers and make hands-free calls for safety. For the price of a few cups of coffee, only 12 euros, you can basically bring your car's interior into 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest car accessories, gadget reviews and tech tests. Thanks for watching, enjoy the drive and I'll see you in the next one.